Hello everyone. Firstly, thank you so much for all the love that you have shown me in my previous vlog. It was my first vlog and it was the first time that I was talking on the video, so I was a bit nervous, but thank you for all the positive comments and for all the love and all the new subscriptions added. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. In today's video, we are going to learn a very interesting and healthy recipe. It is loaded with fiber and it will help if you're having issues with constipation, if you're having blood sugar level issues or even cholesterol. It helps to regulate all of these. So watch the entire recipe and learn a very nutritious dish with me today. Prepared using red spinach leaves. They're also known as red amaranth, or in Goan language, it's also called Tambdi Bhaji. So let's get started. So if you've liked and enjoyed today's recipe, then do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. I have a lot of interesting content to share in the coming weeks, so please do subscribe and share it with your family and friends. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.